Unlock cutting-edge AI power on your own machine. Let's get DeepSeek running locally. This tutorial will guide you through every step of setting up and executing the powerful DeepSeek model right on your personal computer, freeing you from cloud dependency and data privacy concerns. First, ensure you have the necessary software prerequisites. This typically involves having a Python environment set up and potentially specific libraries that DeepSeek relies on. We'll walk through identifying and installing these essential components to build a solid foundation. Next, we'll tackle the installation process. This involves downloading the DeepSeek model files and integrating them into your local environment. We'll break down each command and configuration step to make it straightforward and error-free. Once installed, we'll delve into configuration tweaks for optimal performance. This is where you can fine-tune settings to match your hardware capabilities, ensuring DeepSeek runs smoothly and efficiently, allowing for seamless AI experimentation. Running DeepSeek locally means complete control over your AI. You can explore its capabilities, build custom applications, and experiment without worrying about external dependencies or sharing your data. Get ready to embrace offline, personalized AI power. Let's begin.